The Hog Slat Medicator has become a favorite with livestock producers because it delivers outstanding performance at a very economical price. Even though it is exceptionally reliable, giving your Hog Slat Medicator an annual tune-up will keep it operating at its very best. We'll show you how. Disconnect your medicator and unscrew the bottom hose nut to remove the hose. Unscrew the top cap. If it's tight, a strap wrench will easily loosen it. Grab the white plastic wishbone and pull the piston straight out from the housing. You'll want to inspect the wishbone along with the actuator springs inside the piston. If either is broken or missing, they will have to be replaced. Unscrew and remove the stem from the body. Then remove the gasket seal located at the top of the stem. Sometimes this seal sticks inside the medicator, so if you don't see it on the stem, check the medicator body. Unscrew and remove the bottom cap from the stem. Locate the bottom seal and remove it as well. We'll be replacing this gasket with a new one later. Now you want to remove the spring and slide valve from the piston assembly. To do this, pull the spring down on the shaft and hold it securely. Use a paper clip to push out the metal pin from the shaft. This will release the slide valve and spring, and you can discard both as we'll be replacing them. Check the piston by inserting it into the body and turning it upside down. The piston should remain in the body and not fall out. Rub your finger along the inside of the medicator body, checking for grooves or scarring. Deep grooves in the body will not allow the piston to generate enough suction to operate correctly. If the medicator body or piston is too worn, you'll want to replace them. Take all the parts and hose and soak them in a pail of warm water with dish soap. We recommend letting them soak anywhere from 24 to 48 hours before rinsing and reassembling. With all the parts cleaned and rinsed, open the new replacement parts from the slide valve kit. Place the new spring over top of the slide valve, compress, and hold firmly. Push the slide valve into the plunger rod and reinstall the pin into the second hole. Now make sure the pin is flush so the spring doesn't get stuck during operation. Remove the seals from the seal kit. Place the larger of the seals with the raised portion upwards inside the body. Thread the stem into the bottom of the body and screw hand tight. Place the other seal into the bottom nut, keeping the raised portion up. Hand tighten it onto the stem. Take the piston assembly and place it into the body as far as it will slide down. Replace the top lid and hand tighten it. Take the suction tube and snip off an inch to get rid of the flared end for a tighter fit. Hand tighten the bottom nut back onto the valve system. Performing this manual maintenance on your Hog Slat Medicator will keep it running trouble-free. Go to www.hogslat.com to order replacement parts online.